To hide apps on Realme Note 60, first we'll need to launch our settings. Inside, navigate to special features right there. Then scroll down and select hide apps. Now we need to unlock our device, or if you do it for the first time, it will ask you to set up the secret code. And I'm going to show you how to use that code in a moment. But first we need to select the apps that we want to hide. In this case, I'm going to go with the Block Blast. And then now if we change from all to hidden, we'll see all of the apps that we've hidden this way. Now let's move to the code that I've mentioned. We can click on the settings and then there's the change access code. And it needs to start and end with the hash. So input the hash and then enter numbers that you want to use in that code. And then end it again with hash. Now that's our secret code that we need to input in the phone dialer to access those hidden apps. And that way we'll be able to see them and open the apps as well.